In this video, we will show you the news of the new Microsoft add-in of OpenKM for Outlook. In the upper section, we can see the OpenKM toolbar. In order to show the features of this add-in, let's import some emails in OpenKM. To do so, we can use the bottom panel that lets us choose the path where we want to store the mails. Then, we select as example 2 mails, and we move them to the selected node. If we access to the document management system, we can check that the emails are in the proper route. In the toolbar of OpenKM for Outlook, we have the Import button that allows to insert emails in the document management system. We select a couple of emails again, we click on the Import button, and we select the node in which we want to store them. We press the button Upload, and we can see once more the message that informs about the importation status. We come to OpenKM back, and if we update the view, we can check that the 2 emails appear in the DMS. The Microsoft add-in of OpenKM for Outlook lets import attachments of emails. To check it, we select a mail with files attached and press the Import Only Attachments button. We will see a pop-up window that lets us select the files attached to the email. Once they are selected, we can move to the next step, that is setting the path in which we want to save the files. We can come back to the document management system to check that the software stores the attachment. Now we will see how from Outlook we can send a mail alongside a file attached to store in OpenKM. To do so, we click the New button. We add a recipient, a subject, and we can see the OpenKM tab that offers the option Add Attachment, among others. If we press this button, the application opens a new window from which we can select files located in the document management system. This time, we choose a Word file. We click the Select button, and we can check how the email has now a document attached. The Configuration button lets set the characteristics of the app. The Intercept Attachment button lets detect the attachments of the emails sent, so these files can be replaced by a link that will appear in the body of the mail. We can use this option in 3 different ways. Never means that the Microsoft add-in will never intercept the attachments of mails. Ask, OpenKM will display a pop-up window to approve or not the interception of attachments. And always, that lets to the DMS intercept always the attached files. To test this feature, we select the option Ask. We create a new mail. We fill the fields, address, subject. We add some text to the body of the message, and we select the Attach button to add files to the mail. We send it, and as we can check, the Microsoft add-in of OpenKM for Outlook intercepts the attachment and asks the user if they want to replace it for a link. We select Yes to see the OpenKM add-in as recipient and sender. In this video, we have sent the mail to ourselves. If we update the view, we can check how the mail appears in our inbox. If we receive a mail in which the attachment appears as a link, we can click on that link and it will send us automatically to OpenKM, where we will be able to work with the document that is classified also by date. Other option of the configuration panel of Microsoft Addin is Add Metadata to the emails. We select this option. Let's choose an email to import. We define the path and we upload it to OpenKM. A pop-up window appears automatically that lets choose the suitable metadata group. We can add more metadata groups if we want, and when everything is okay, we can press the Finish button. We fill the fields and we click the Add button. It will display a window that informs that the metadata has been added properly. If we come back to OpenKM, we can check that the email is there with the metadata group that we have just added.